In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Hello everybody, how are you doing? We're doing great by the mercy and grace of Almighty Allah. My name is N.H. Saqib. I'm your IELTS and spoken English trainer and student visa consultant. I've been training the students and professionals at the platform of Genius Institute Lahore for the last 21 years. Dear friends, we are going to start IELTS speaking part 2 from today, and we'll have lots of recordings in this regard. This is going to be the first recording. So Ms. Aksa is here. She's going to give you a sample of the template or the cue card or the task card, and her cue card is about describe something you have lost recently. Now the method would be she's going to give on this cue card. She will have to make points for one minute only. She is given 60 seconds, so she'll prepare herself. She can make notes. She is also being given the paper and pencil, and she can prepare her notes. In the meantime, we'll remain silent, and you keep on observing how the process goes on. So, Ms. Aksa, your time begins now.
Okay, thank you for this question. As I would love to say about this, that psychologist says that losing something is more worrisome and heart-wrenching as compared to the happiness that we get when we receive the gift of that have the same value and the same worth. As far as myself is concerned, a few days ago I have lost my Apple Android watch, as it's very dear to me and I'm very fond of it because it was given by my father, and it resonates his love and affection. But this incident happened to me when I am going to a road trip to Mari and Hanaspur, because as a photophile I would love to traveling, and traveling is my hobby. Shockingly, this incident happens to me when I worn it off, as I have to wash my face. But shockingly, and when I came back, I didn't see the watch where I left it before, and I became stunned and astonished when I see that, because this watch is very close to my heart. And I think that I feel that I have completely lost. A chill of worriness swept across my body, and I became completely lost and I became stunned. And I think that I could not be able. So I make myself calm and relax for a moment. And this watch is very much important to me because it's make me punctual, and as it is a digital watch, so I can access my blood pressure and heart rate, as well as it has many different options which can make me fit. So I think that it's the best watch that I have received so far, and I think that losing something is more heart-wrenching because you have the memories attached with them. So it's the emotional attachment, it's the emotional memories that you have attached with them. So losing thing is not matter. The really matters is your attachment and your memories.
Oh, thank you very much indeed, Ms. Aksa. There was a repetition of I think. You can use many advanced level of connectors and discourse markers rather than I think just. And for example, she has used passive voice very delicately, and passive voice usage also pleases the examiner a lot. When she said that was given by my father, it was the use of passive voice, and it pleases the examiner if the student or the candidate uses passive voice. And then there was a mistake, grammar mistake, when she said that see that, for example, it should have been used saw that. When I saw that, because she referring to the past, and she used the phrase could not be able to, it should have been could be only, if passive voice is going to be made, be able to was superfluous, it was redundant. My dear friends, it was a mixed kind of presentation. A lot more can be improved here if she persistently focusing on improvement. So that's it from today. We'll see you in another video. Until then, take care of yourself and stay blessed.